Mysterious sources have been sending radio signals to Earth for years, but now scientists have tracked down some of their origins, and they were surprised by what they found. If you are wondering that it's aliens, then no, it's still not. But using NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers have traced the locations of 5 deep space signals known as fast radio bursts, or FRBs. The mysterious pulses seem to be coming from within the Milky Way, and after some deduction, the astronomers now believe that the pulses may have resulted either from a strange magnetar star or a slowly spinning neutron star that would turn on and off. Hey everyone, welcome to Space Scientists. In today's video, we are going to talk about the strange radio signals received by NASA, and where did they originate from? So if you want to know more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. And before we start the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. The universe is unpredictable, and nobody knows for sure how big it is. Even with the centuries of research and work surrounding it, there is little known about it. But now, as the technology is progressing, so is our research about space and what it contains. Since the late 20th century, there have been numerous reports of receiving signals from the space, and many scientists have claimed that these signals came from unknown alien species somewhere in space. Now, NASA has also decided to take a step toward this and find out what secrets are hiding in space. Around 1,000 FRBs have been detected since the first one was discovered in 2001, but they are notoriously difficult to track because they disappear in an instant and without a trace. Only 15 of them have been tracked to specific galaxies, so scientists are interested in tracking where these intense pulses are coming from so they can determine what kind of cosmic events trigger them. According to a new study set to publish in the Astrophysical Journal, researchers using Hubble's Wide Field Camera 3 were able to pinpoint 5 out of 8 recent FRBs to their host galaxies, as well as the kinds of locations they originated from. One feature of all these distant galaxies is their spiral arms, where stars form. According to the lead author of the journal, Alexandra Mannings, most of the galaxies are massive, relatively young, and still forming stars. The imaging allows us to get a better idea of the overall host galaxy properties, such as its mass and star formation rate, as well as probe what's happening right at the FRB position because Hubble has such great resolution. The team's findings support the idea that FRBs originate from the bursts of young magnetars, which is a type of neutron star with powerful magnetic fields. Scientists call them the strongest magnets in the universe to be 10 trillion times more powerful than a refrigerator door magnet. It explained in the journal. Owing to their strong magnetic fields, magnetars are quite unpredictable. In this case, the FRBs are thought to come from flares from young magnetars. Massive stars go through stellar evolution and become neutron stars, some of them which can be strongly magnetized, leading to flares and magnetic processes on their surface, which can emit radio light. The repeating signals were detected during the first 3 months of 2018, but then disappeared, suggesting they were linked to a dramatic one-off event, such as a starquake. A study on the discovery was published in the journal Nature. Regarding this strange discovery, the lead study author, Natasha Hurley-Walker, an astrophysicist at the Curtin University node of the International Center for Radio Astronomy Research, said in a statement, "This object was appearing and disappearing over a few hours during our observations. That was completely unexpected. It was kind of spooky for an astronomer because there's nothing known in the sky that does that. And it's really quite close to us, about 4,000 light-years away. It's in our galactic backyard." Many types of stars emit variable light across the electromagnetic spectrum. With tremendous advances in radio astronomy, the study of variable or transient objects in radio waves is a huge field of study which has helped scientists reveal the secrets of the universe. Slow transients like supernovae might appear over the course of a few days and disappear after a few months, while fast transients, on the other hand, are like a type of neutron star called a pulsar, which can flash on and off within milliseconds or seconds. This new, incredibly bright object, however, only turned on for about a minute every 18 minutes. The researchers said that their observations might match up with the definition of an ultra-long period magnetar. However, magnetars usually flare by the second, but this object takes longer. So, despite the unusual nature of the signal, the team believes that the source of it is likely to be a spinning object rather than a technologically advanced civilization reaching out across the cosmos. "It's definitely not aliens," said Hurley Walker. The team briefly considered this possibility, but ruled it out after determining that the signal, one of the brightest radio sources in the sky, was detectable across a broad spectrum of frequencies, meaning that an immense amount of energy would have been required to produce it. The object, believed to be about 4,000 light-years away in the plane of the Milky Way, also matches a predicted astronomical object called an ultra-long period magnetar, a class of neutron star with the most powerful magnetic field of any known object in the universe. So Hurley Walker stated, "It's a type of slowly spinning neutron star that has been predicted to exist theoretically. But nobody expected to directly detect one like this because we didn't expect them to be so bright. Somehow, it's converting magnetic energy to radio waves much more effectively than anything we've seen before." So, after a thorough study and research about this mysterious object in space, astronomers are still perplexed as to why the newly found object, if it is a magnetar, was still emitting enough energy to be detectable when it was observed between January and March 2018. Another question is that why the signal then vanished. The researchers will continue to monitor the object to see whether it turns back on, and in the meantime, they are searching for evidence of other similar objects, as Hurley Walker said. More detections will tell astronomers whether this was a rare one-off event or a vast new population we'd never noticed before. However, scientists have been receiving these strange signals for quite some time, and there have been numerous such examples in recent years. An FRB called FRB 180916.J0158+65 was discovered in February 2020, appearing several times per day for 4 days before falling silent for slightly more than 12 days. So after its discovery, scientists believe that the overall 16-day-ish cycle could give an important clue to the nature of its source. Then again, in September 2021, scientists said that they had detected a mysterious radio signal that appeared to have come from the center of the Milky Way, called ASKAP J173608.2-321635. And this is it for today. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share your views with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos about space. And thank you for watching.